When you have an older vehicle, you must pay attention to rubber and plastic parts, particularly if the car is more than 18 years old. If it's a newly acquired car, you want to completely inspect everything. All the rubber hoses, all the vacuum line connectors, all the fuel lines. Look at this breather tube right here. It's gotten crunched back here. And this hose is so hard, you can't even squeeze it. And then this little rubber shock mount back here for the air cleaner bracket is as hard as a rock too. So this is something you have to pay attention to, and as they approach 22 years old, which is the age of this car, you really have to pay attention. Now here is a classic example of what happens to rubber that's 22 years old. This hose, it's a drain hose for the coolant reservoir tank, just fell off. Look at the rubber. It's a braided hose, but inside the rubber is totally cracked and hardened. And you can't believe how much of this you will see on a car that's this old. So pay attention to your rubber and plastic parts.